20 terrific facts you don't know about Spider-Man. No one. Tom's full name is Thomas Stanley Holland. He is 26 years old and was born on June 1, 1996, in Kingston upon Thames, England, UK. Number 2. Tom Holland has 3 younger brothers, Harry, Sam, and Patty. Number 3. His father, Dominic Holland, is a stand-up comedian, and his mother, Nicola, is a photographer. Number 4. Tom Holland was initially a dancer. He took hip-hop dance classes at Nifty Feet Dance School. Number 5. Tom Holland was bullied at Wimbledon College throughout his school years for being a dancer. Number 6. Tom Holland was diagnosed with dyslexia when he was a kid. No. 7. After Wimbledon, Tom attended Brit School for Performing Arts. Number 8. While performing with his dance group at the Richmond Dance Festival, Holland was discovered by choreographer Lynn Page. Number 9. After 8 auditions and 2 years of training, Holland was cast in Billy Elliot the Musical as Michael Fabry, Billy's best friend. Note that his role in Billy Elliot marked his first performance on the West End. Number 11. Tom Holland made his first feature film debut in The Impossible in 2012, alongside Naomi Watts and Ewan McGregor. Number 12. Holland co-starred with Chris Hemsworth in the Heart of the Sea in 2015. Number 13. To prepare for The Heart of the Sea, Holland had to cut down a lot of weight, eating only 5,000 calories per day. Number 14. After In the Heart of the Sea, Holland's career had a lull, and his mom had him attend carpentry school. Number 15. While in carpentry school, Holland was called back to audition for the role of Spider-Man. Number 16. Tom Holland's first appearance in Marvel movies was in Captain America: Civil War despite playing Spider-Man. Number 17. His ballet and gymnast training background helped him land his role in the Spider-Man movies. Number 18. While doing a screen test audition with Robert Downey Jr., Robert started improvising, which Tom was told not to do.